Have you forgotten password of the net banking service of IndusInd Bank and are trying to reset it? If that's the case, then this video is just for you. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of resetting the password of the net banking service of IndusInd Bank. So let's get started. First of all, go to the web browser of your choice, and in the address bar type www.indusind.com and hit it. You'll then be redirected to the official website of IndusInd Bank. Now you'll be able to see a login option right here. Click on the down arrow and then click on login option. Once you are redirected to this page, click on the option forgot password. To reset your password, you first have to provide your user ID. Enter your user ID and after that click on submit. After that, follow the further instructions provided and give all the required details. Finally, you'll be able to reset the password of the net banking service of IndusInd Bank. So, we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, TechQuest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.